Welcome to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn. I'm the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today I am going to be giving a full unboxing and review on the Peachy Palette by Peachy Olive Glitters. If you guys follow my work and have seen some of my videos, you know I am totally obsessed with Peachy Olive Glitters. So I am really excited to show you guys what comes in these boxes. This is going to be for February's box. And also in the description box, I will have the Peachy Olive website linked. We will have their Facebook group linked and their Instagram, which you need to be following all of those if you want to get updates on when the next palette will drop. I'm also going to include an exclusive 10% off discount code that you guys can use at peachyoliveglitters.com if you want to pick up some of these colors, or any colors really. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get inside this box. Let's just dive right into this Peachy palette. I want to go over a few things before we open it up. So the Peachy palette is from Peachy Olive Glitters and it comes out once a month, okay? The only way you're gonna know when this box is released is if you're following Peachy Olive Glitters on Instagram, or if you're in the Facebook group for Peachy Olive Glitters, or if you are following her business page on Facebook, okay? And as soon as those announcements are released about the palette, hop on her website, peachyoliveglitters.com, and get it, because these sell out in seconds. She does offer like a couple of rounds, like if the first one sells out, there'll be like a second round later on in the day. So definitely want to keep an eye on her page and her notifications, because once they sell out for the month, they're done and you'll have to wait until those colors get added to the website. If you watched my Gypsy Leopard tutorial part 1, which I will link in the description box, almost all the colors used on that Violet Gypsy Leopard were from December's Peachy palette. So I'm a huge fan of getting glitter this way, and I am always surprised by the value, by the variety of colors that come in the pack, and they're usually colors that I wouldn't normally buy. But when I get them in the palette, I try them and I love them each time. And you're the first one to get new color releases when you get the Peachy palette, okay? And some of them, they do take a while to get added to the website after they're released in the palette. So definitely want to be quick on the draw, get the palette. It's a great value. This month's palette came with 5 custom mixes. 5 custom mixes. That is a $60 value that we got for $45. So you save $15 this month if you grab the palette. And I just love it every time. I love to open up my box and see what I got. So we're gonna dive right in. So here we go. So the first color I'm gonna show you guys, ooh, this is Gnarly. This is like a blue iridescent. I am getting Bejeweled vibes. If you guys have Bejeweled or Jasmine, this is your accompanying chunky. Guys, I like to have, if I really like a color, I want it in every size. I want it in 0.08, I want it in 0.15, I want it in chunky, like whatever size she has in the color that I like to have them all. So this would be great to go with Bejeweled. Very pretty. All right, and then we got Quinn. Ooh, this is a chunky iridescent white. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting. This one, oh my goodness, it's very pretty. So we got different cuts and sizes in this one as well. Very pretty. Ooh, and another one. So this one comes with, let's see, Solstice also, and Fillory. So these are the 3 chunky whites that came in this month. So they all look a little different. And I'm gonna highlight the difference between all 3 of these chunky whites when we go through and do the close-ups here. But these are all gorgeous. I'm getting like fire opal vibes on Fillory. Can't wait to show you guys that one up close. And then my personal, this is my favorite. So I love a good like charcoal gold, kind of just like rich metallic color. This is like a charcoal gray silver. This is Smolder. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so pretty. Can't wait to show you. Okay, so Smolder, my personal favorite this month. Okay, and so these are the 5 2-ounce bags that you get. And I believe last time I checked, these 4 are all available on the website right now. Smolder is not yet available on the website, but I'm sure it'll be coming soon. So you can purchase all of these now at peachyoliveglitters.com. So we are gonna get some paper and some great lights down in here, and I am gonna show you some great video of all these colors so you can really see them in depth. Be right back. Alright, so that concludes my full unboxing and review on this month's Peachy Palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're loving my videos, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, engage in the comments. If you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see on the channel, drop them in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Biggest takeaway on this one, Smolder is my absolute favorite in the palette this month. I know you guys are gonna love it. Even though it's not on the website yet, keep an eye out, it's gonna be there soon, but you can get any of the other colors on the website now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon with our next video.